Retired widow. Le Willie dear. Le when we have somebody marry pay. Here wool my face in my hospital, my maternity. Here wool to cello. Here wool poor widow. Look what happened here today. Today, 22nd. Here we poor widow. Chineke. Poor widow with only son. Actually, we are look when how the daughter-in-law. Here we are better with 3 children. They are homeless. No matter what also human rights activist. I'm on some course to the law, but I might hear my chemo getting to our aid. Mrs. Cecilia retired nurse, a widow with 1 son, here with a daughter-in-law. A small girl like that, where they're going to. All their things are outside. Poor widow. Look how we live here. Here we are. Poor widow. Old woman. Here we live here. And then make it here. The woman not here. Everybody is stranded. Human rights activists. Look what no have madu many here. Look what no. Mrs. Cecilia Nyaneke, Ellen Dalayana, the only son over homeless with 3 grandchildren. They don't know where to go now. They don't have anywhere to run to. Human rights activists, these are their outside. Everything outside. Everybody is now homeless. Human rights activists,
a very, very quick one. Like I have always said, against Ndi Igbo. Personally, I will come against that person. This moron, anompama, Asari Dokubo. Amade Masino Ezeko always na their community. I don't know, you know, but I don't know about P2B. Now, by the P2B, drug baron, this and that, and this. And now I'm opposed to. I saw one post made by this guy, Reno Mokri, right? It was Reno that started this rubbish. It was Reno Omokri, another dumb ass that started this rubbish, castigating P2B because of election. You know? And I saw another post. The post he made a few years ago. Now the one he made last 2 weeks, was it last week or so, 2-3 days ago? He saw the video where this moron of a man, Onuku, Ewu, elephantiasis diseased, Anompama. Everyone said that P2B, we drug baron. That he will do this, he will do that. He will pursue P2B. If he wins the election, he will pursue P2B. He's a this, he's a that, he's a criminal. When he before P2B. Then maybe at home, post to Reno Emokri, may address it directly to Ewa, to Anum Pama. That's the post that home, no mistake. No one whom Bola, anybody, na Peru. So no P2B did up weekend. But yet this Anompama, this guy Asari Dokubo, who's a militant, a bandit, a terrorist, being pampered by the federal government, here went the mouth to look at a good man, a true soul of Igbo soil, to insult. Asari Dokubo, you are a terrorist, you are a bandit, you are a criminal, you are a bloodsucker. That is what you are. You are the one that killed most of the youth in Imo State with your Ebubago. You think we don't know? We are coming for you. We are coming for you. You think you will come to the southeast, mess up the southeast, destroy the southeast? They used you to blackmail Nnamdi Kanu. They used you to blackmail. We know that you, with some governors of the southeast, started insecurity in the southeast. Asari Dokubo and some governors in the southeast are the masterminds of insecurity in the southeast, and you have them out to insult our own son.
Somebody who has been accused
How dare you?
As a drug baron.
How dare you? A non-entity like you. A criminal that is being pampered by the federal government of Nigeria. A bandit, a terrorist that is being pampered by the federal government. And you think everybody will just keep quiet because you are a bandit, a terrorist. Ozu. You have the mouth to insult Peter Obi, our son. You have the mouth to insult our son, the next president of Nigeria. And you think everybody will just keep quiet and watch you go away, go scot-free with your rubbish. Look at you. Look at you. Are you not suffering from elephantiasis? Or is it fatty acid? What are you even suffering from? Walk well. You cannot walk well. I'm not but shaming you, but you started it by calling our son a criminal. To walk well is a problem. To even sit down is a problem. You sleep now, you'll be snoring like ish. And you have the mouth to insult Peter Obi. Come again with your insult against Peter Obi or any son of Alibo. If you don't know, we don't joke with Peter Obi in Igbo land. We don't joke with Alex Oti in Igbo land. And we don't joke with Nnamdi Kanu in Igbo land. Come against Peter Obi again. Thunder that will fire you is still doing press up. And a bela family like you think you can come against our son and you go free and nobody replies you? Illiterate like you. I don't blame you now. I blame the federal government. I'm telling you, I blame the federal government that is pampering you. You that have killed millions of people in Nigeria. You that have killed thousands of people in Nigeria. They are pampering you now because you are a terrorist. You are a bandit. Insult Peter Obi again. And share. Because a very, very quick one. This message goes directly to the governor of Imo State. Something is brewing in Mbalagwa. But I have a this commissioner, local government chairman of Oguta, the governor should call that young man to order. He wants to conduct town union election in Mbalagwa when there is a subsisting court case, court matter litigation against such action in a competent court of jurisdiction. Case here on Oguta High Court. Now, this man wants to conduct town union election when the court is almost giving judgment on that same matter. And probably because they know that the judgment will not be in their favor. Now, this man wants to do what? Conduct town union election in Mbalagwa. I try me put our ihende tunushi erige ego na ihende ozunu mega. But this is contempt of court. This is contempt of court. The governor of Imo State should warn that Mbenani Konani, the local government chairman of Oguta. Please, the commissioner for local government and chieftaincy affairs, Honorable Ruby MLA, call that man to order. Call that local government chairman to order. Now, when case you crisis in Agua now, I got go put now in court. I guess ESN. I got the opportunity about the youth. So no ESN, no IPOB. Now, this local government chairman is trying to incite crisis in Mbalagwa. Onye mi agwaya. Anything no man na Mbalagwa because of ihe ochoro ime, o ga-ejishi eburie. Anything no man na Mbalagwa because of this thing that man ochoro ime, o ga-ejishi ebuye. Ka dikwa aware. No matter onye ashira support your House of Rep member from that area, na akwadie. Manda de enye contract oil. Manda na wo nda agwa, idecha ha recommend ya ha na ha wo chanda agwa. A contract of oil, Ili pipe from Mbalagwa to Kwale. And you have 16 billion. And you are because you were a politician and then you think you can impose and reimpose. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Because here a warning. Onye madat nani local government chairman si gwa ya wepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ aka mmadụ. Enwere kọtụmata ya agakwala eme that election. Kwụsị na ịkparị court, kwụsị na ịkparị ndị ọkaikpe, kwụsị na ịkparị ndị judge anyị na ndị magistrate anyị. Onye ọbụla respect ya court. Governor of Imo State, Honorable Ruby Emele na ndị ọdịnaka, ọnụ this man chiakwa ile onwe ya ugwu. Allow status quo, akwụnụ na-akpọ ya status quo antebellum. Everything remain until court ekwuchakwa m.